Oh, look at this! So clear and shiny! Doesn't it look super refreshing? We are going to dip this and eat it. I'm really looking forward to it. Hi everyone! Today we are going to make this super easy ice bar soft candy. Look at this cute packaging! It looks like it comes in soda and strawberry flavors. There are instructions on the back. Let's open it up right away. Oh wow! So this is what it looks like. And these blue and pink cube shaped candies super cute. And here's the syrup. This is a traditional Japanese syrup called mizuame. That clear shine really adds to the refreshing vibe. And here's the chili powder. And last but not least, the ice bar sticks. First, let's pour the clear syrup into the tray. Oh! This shiny, transparent look is so refreshing. It's thick and gooey. Next is the chili powder. Apparently, it gives you a cool sensation when you eat it. There's a good amount in the pack, so I want to cool it generously. Time to start topping. Let's stick a bar into the blue soda candy. It's pretty firm. Now, let's dip it in the syrup. How should I do this? I want to coat it all over. It's kind of tricky. Now, let's add the chili powder. This part is tough too. It doesn't stick on very well. But maybe like this? Oh, let's give it a try. いただきます。Yummy! And the chili powder adds a nice accent. Now, let's try the strawberry flavored one. Stick the bar in firmly. Dip it in the syrup. It drips right away, so it's a bit hard to handle. Like this. Then coat it with the chili powder. I actually want to use more of it, but it doesn't stick very well. Well, it's fine. Like this. Let's eat. Yup, it tastes great. The sweetness of the strawberry matches perfectly with the chili powder. It's surprisingly satisfying. I feel like I could eat a bunch of these by myself. So, what did you think? We introduce lots of other DIY candy kits on this channel, so don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video. Bye bye!